Class 11th physics consists of 10 units. The name of each unit is unit first measurement. Measurement. Unit 2 kinematics. Unit 3 force and laws of motion. Force and laws of motion. Unit 4 work energy power and collision. Unit 5 rotation. Unit 6 gravitation. Unit 7 properties of matter. Unit 8 thermodynamics. Unit 9 kinetic theory of gas. Unit 10 oscillation and wave. Each unit has weightage of marks 3 marks. Unit first 3 marks, unit 2 10 marks, unit 3 10 marks, unit 4 6 marks, unit 5 5 marks, unit 6 6 marks, unit 7 10 marks, thermodynamics 5 marks, unit 9 5 marks, unit 10 10 marks. Total marks 70. Now separately, first unit measurement today started, in which mainly unit and dimension of physical quantity is discussed. Some important terms relating to this unit. Measurement. Unit first. Measurement. Science. Man always curious about surrounding around it. The natural phenomena on which the continuous experiment and their observation performed by the scientist finally gives the result, and then it becomes law. Science, the systematic study of experimentation, observation and experimentation is called science. The systematic study of experimentation and observation is called science. Science divided into two parts: living science, that is life science, biology; non-living science, biology divided into two parts: botany, a study of plant and tree, zoology, a study of animal and insect. Non-living science, it is also called physical science. It is divided into two parts: physics, a study of matter and energy, chemistry, a study of composition of matter, a study of composition of matter. Now we come on physics. Physics is the branch of non-living science which deals mainly the natural phenomena which perform in our daily life, or some natural phenomena, some fundamental rules by which nature be controlled. In physics, we measure the physical quantity. Therefore, it is also called science of measurement. Physics. Physics is the branch of science which deals about the study of nature and natural phenomena. It also deals about the fundamental. It also deals about the fundamental laws of nature. Since in physics we study about measurement of physical quantity. We study about measurement of physical quantity. Physical quantity. Therefore, it is called science of measurement. Therefore, it is called science of measurement. After this definition, physics is the science, physics is the branch of science which deals about the matter and energy, which deals about the matter and energy and their relationship and their relationship. The next term is physical quantity. In physics, we are starting about various physical quantity. Some are fundamental or some are derived. It is the branch in which we study about the physical quantity, measurement of physical quantity. Physical quantity, the quantity which obey the law of physics is generally called physical quantity. Physical quantity. The quantity which can be measured, which can be is called physical quantity. It is generally denoted by NU, where N is number and U is unit, where N is number and U is unit. For example, 2 kg. 2 represents number and kg represents unit, and 2 kg represents the physical quantity, that is mass. 5 meter. 5 represents number and meter represents unit. It is length. 10 second time. The left side digit represents the number and right side its unit, and the whole is physical quantity. Physical quantity. And how n and u related with each other? If the numerical value is smaller, then unit is larger. Just for example, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Here we see that kg is larger unit, then its numerical value is 1. Similarly, gram is a smaller unit and its numerical value is larger. If unit is smaller, then numerical value is larger and its reciprocal. The other example, 1 meter equal to 100 cm. That is, n varies inversely u. N varies inversely u. What is unit? Now, the term unit. Unit is the necessary factor which decides, by which we know about that quantity. It gives the information about the quantity. It acts as like a gate in a house. Unit of physical quantity, we can define it. Unit. The unit of any physical quantity is the conventional standard quantity in terms of which similar quantity be expressed. It is of two types. First, fundamental unit. Or base unit. This unit is independent. It does not depend upon any other unit. The unit which are independent is called fundamental unit. The unit of mass, length and time. The unit of mass, length and time is called fundamental unit. Second, derived unit. Derived unit. The unit which are obtained with the help of with the help of fundamental unit is called derived unit. Now the system of unit. There are various systems used for representing the unit of any physical quantity. The first and old and very useful, commonly used in society is FPS system. FPS system. FPS system. This system is also called British system. FPS stands foot, pound, second system. Foot, pound, second system. Foot, unit of length. Pound, unit of mass. And second, unit of time. The second system is CGS system. CGS system. This system is also called French system. CGS stands for centimeter, gram, second system. Centimeter, length, gram, mass, and second, time. The third system is MKS system. MKS system. MKS system, meter, kilogram, second system. Meter, kilogram, second system. Meter, unit of length, kilogram, mass, and second, time. In 1960, 11th International Conference organized by Weight and Measurement Department, in which a new system for measurement is decided to enact. Such new system is named as System of International D unit. This unit is the developed form of MKS system. In MKS system, there are three fundamental units. In spite of these three fundamental units, 4 additional units added in SI system, and now in SI system there are 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. It is the developed form of MKS system. In 1960, 11th International Conference, 11th International Conference we organized. In which a new system for measurement, measurement is decided to enact such new system is named as System of International D unit. In French language, the symbol D is used. This system is the developed form of MKS system or SI unit. This in SI unit there are 7 fundamental unit, 7 fundamental unit and 2 supplementary unit. Supplementary unit. Seven fundamental unit are physical quantity. Physical quantity symbol, physical quantity unit, symbol. Physical quantity first length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, mass of substance, the amount of substance. These are 7 fundamental quantity, and unit of this 7 fundamental quantity is called fundamental unit. Unit of length is meter, symbol is m, mass, kilogram, kg, time, second, s, temperature, Kelvin, k, electric current, ampere, a, luminous intensity, candela, cd, mass, amount of substance, mole, its symbol is mol, mole. 2 supplementary unit, supplementary unit, plane angle, and solid angle. Plane angle, radian, SR, solid angle, plane angle, radian, RAD, solid angle, ST, radian, SR. This is the fundamental unit. Now the derived unit are used with the help of these fundamental unit. The sum derived physical quantity explained with all the system of unit FPS, CGS and MKS or SI. MKS system is now said to be in SI system. Unit of some physical quantity. First, area. For writing the unit of any physical quantity, we need the formula. For example, area is L square or L into B. The L and B are in same units. In a PS system, its unit is, the unit of length is feet square, therefore its unit is square feet. In CGS, cm square cm. In SI, meter square meter. Second, volume LQ or LBH. In FPS system, PQ or cubic feet. In CGS, CMQ or cubic cm. In SI, meter Q or cubic meter. Third, speed or velocity equal to distance by time. FPS, in FPS, unit of distance is feet and time is second. Therefore, we can write feet per second. In CGS, cm per second. And in SI, meter per second. Acceleration. Acceleration. Rate of change in velocity, that is change in velocity by time. In FPS, change in velocity is same as velocity, feet per second, and time is again second. Therefore, in FPS system, its unit is feet per second square. In CGS, cm per second square, and in SI, meter per second square. Linear momentum. Linear momentum equal to mass into velocity. In FPS, unit of mass pound and velocity feet per second. In CGS, gram cm per second. In SI, kg meter per second. Force, mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. In FPS, pound feet per second square. This whole term is in honor of scientist Poundal, is said to be Poundal. In a PS system, unit of force is Poundal. In CGS, gram cm per second square or dyne. In SI, kilogram meter per second square or Newton. Next, 7. Work. Work. Force into displacement. Force into displacement. In a PS system, force is pound feet per second square. Displacement is again feet, then it is feet square. Or Poundal feet. In CGS, gram cm square dyne cm. It is in honor of scientist erg. Dyne cm is called erg. In SI, kg meter square per second square or Newton meter joule. Power. Work by time. In FPS, unit of work is pound feet square s minus 2 and 1 s is denominator, therefore pound feet square per second cube or Poundal feet per second. In CGS, gram cm square per second cube or dyne cm per second or erg. In SI, kg meter square or Newton meter per second or joule per second or watt. Density. Mass by volume. In FPS, unit of mass is pound feet cube. Pound per feet cube. In CGS, gram per cm cube. And in SI, kg per meter cube. 10. Impulse. Force into time. In FPS, force is poundal second. In CGS, dyne second. In SI, Newton second. Surface tension force per unit length. In FPS poundal per feet. In CGS, dyne per cm. In an SI, Newton per meter. Moment of inertia. Mass into distance square. In FPS, pound feet square. In CGS, gram cm square. In SI, kg meter square. Next, 13, pressure, force by area. In FPS, force unit of force is poundal per feet square. In CGS, dyne per cm square. And in SI, Newton per meter square. It is called Pascal. 14, gravitational constant, capital G, equal to Fr square by m1 m2, where F represents force, R distance, m1 and m2 mass. In FPS system, poundal feet square per pound square. In CGS, dyne cm square per arm square. In SI, Newton meter square per kg square.